Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my 2024 Advent series. 24 videos from December the 1st to the 24th, all showcasing various brochures, mainly vacuum cleaners with the odd washing machine brochure thrown in for good measure. Today we're going to be looking at my favourite modern brand, Sebo, and this brochure features the Sebo Felix. Fast, light and powerful. It's an older brochure, we'll try and date it in the video. Obviously Sebo still manufacture the popular Felix, but this features some older machines with different specifications to the e-power range that Sebo now sell. On the first two pages we see a large picture of the Sebo Felix Fun, and that will be illustrated later in the brochure. I don't think I've shown you that yet, but I do have one of those. I got it brand new only a few years ago. I think it's one of the lower wattage versions, and I imported it from Germany. It didn't come with the matching orange parquet head, I don't think, but I do like that colour scheme. It's a bit different, the machine being orange, and actually ideal for vacuuming at Halloween because orange is associated with Halloween. I suppose it's the pumpkin connection. And here we have a little bit of blurb. It might be a bit hard to read the white text on this sort of silver background, but it's telling us about Sebo. Obviously some of these details won't be correct now because this brochure is a few years old. A company steeped in skill, intelligence and pure genius. And don't forget modesty, of course, that's very important. Spanning over 25 years brings us the Sebo Felix. Sebo, the global leader in commercial uprights, has sold over 3 million vacuum cleaners since its foundation. A Sebo vacuum cleaner is the intelligent choice for commercial and domestic environments. They can be relied upon to consistently provide professional cleaning performance day in, day out. Renowned for their reliability, durability and outstanding performance, their Made in Germany label is a worldwide symbol for excellence. The Felix extends the Sebo range, offering professional performance for the home in a lightweight, versatile and easy to manoeuvre machine. The Sebo Felix is designed to be suitable for all floor types with the on-off ET power brush, the Sebo parquet brush and the Sebo combi nozzle for optimum cleaning performance on any floor. Available in eye-catching designs, choose which Felix model best suits your home or style. The Classic, the Fun or the Ice Blue. And here we can see a Sebo commercial upright cleaner vacuuming the red carpet at what I believe is the White House. This double page spread shows the versatility of the Sebo Felix, and the model shown in these photos is the Classic design, or as I like to refer to it as the Burberry design, because the filter material used on this particular cream and brown model is very reminiscent of the classic Czech Burberry. Here we have the quick release cable with the hook that turns up so you can release the cable in one go, and the telescopic handle so you can adjust the height to suit the height of the user, or when you're using it in handheld mode you can push the handle right down, or if you want to store it in a low cupboard you can also store it with the handle fully downwards. We've got the on-off switch here combined with the electronic motor speed control, and the flex neck of the Felix enabling you to maneuver the head around furniture, and the flat to the floor design enables you to clean under lower pieces of furniture. And you can see here Felix in handheld mode, but as I said, to make it a little less awkward, the handle will push further down into the body of the cleaner. On this page we can see the Felix being used with a dusting brush. When the Felix in this position, the brush roll automatically stops, so it doesn't spin, so there's no chance of any hands getting caught or inquisitive little children poking their fingers into the revolving brush roll, because in the upright mode, and also actually automatically when you remove the hose from a Felix, the brush roll stops anyway, so it's a good safety feature. We also have a little dot here on the back of the handle, little non-slip dot that enables you to lean the Felix up against the wall, and here shows the easy and hygienic bag change, and we have the filter changing here, so you can select a different design. I'm not sure what design would go with this cream model, but there are many different designs you can get. If you've got an old Felix, you can buy a new filter with a new design, just to obviously improve the filtration and give your vacuum a new look. And of course, like all Sebos, easy to maintain, not anti-hair wrap brush roll, but a very easy to remove brush roll. Just push a button and the brush roll slides out for cleaning. This page shows the Felix filter system using a high filtration bag, a pre-motor filter, and of course the post-motor filter, which also forms the design. So in this brochure we can choose from the Classic, the Ice Blue, or the Fun. This page shows the various tools and accessories you can buy for Sebo cleaners. So we have the ET Powerhead in the standard and the extra wide version. There's the parquet nozzle and the combi nozzle, that's suitable for carpets and hard floors, the parquet for hard floors only. We have the Sebo Duo dry carpet cleaning system, and I've featured that a couple of times on my channel. And here we have the Duo P powder. And here at this side we have the optional accessories, including the Stair Upholstery Turbo Brush, Floor and Wall Brush, Dusting Brush, Flexible Extension Hose, a straight tube, the Sebo Fresh Air Fresheners, and the Delicate Floor Brush for delicate carpets and floors. Here we have the Sebo Felix technical details / product features. The Felix One Premium also comes with the parquet brush, and the Felix One just has the standard ET1 head. Of course you can buy the parquet brush separate. Then we have the Felix 2, again that's in the ice blue design, and that actually comes with a 37 centimeter wide head as opposed to the 31 centimeter wide head on the Felix 1. And of course the Felix 1 Premium is available in the ivory and burgundy, with the classic design or the fun design in orange and violet. And also on the back page of the brochure we have the 3 models illustrated. I can't date this particular brochure, but it's definitely pre-EU regulations because the motor is 1300 watt with a brush bar motor of 175 watts or 200 watts with the extra wide brush roll. That's about the end of my video on the Sebo Felix. Obviously the models in this brochure are no longer available to buy brand new, but Sebo still sell Felix machines in various colours with different styles of exhaust filter, and some come with different accessories. So you can check out Sebo's website, sebo.co.uk or sebo.com or Sebo Canada or sebo.de. Wherever you're watching this video, hopefully you'll be able to obtain a Sebo in your country. And personally I would recommend Sebo cleaners. As I've said many times, they are my favourite modern vacuum brand. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, another video coming up very soon. Bye for now.